Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will discuss example 16 on page 89. The sequence you can see here show that the sequence Sn, where Sn is equal to 1 over 1 pictorial plus 1 over 2 pictorial plus 1 over 1 pictorial is convergent. We have to show that this sequence is convergent. Now we have proved a results that if a sequence is monotonic, either increasing or decreasing, and if it is bounded, that sequence will be convergent. So now we have to check this sequence, this Sn. You can simply check Sn plus 1 minus Sn. Sn plus 1 क्या होगा? 1 over 1 pictorial, 1 over 2 pictorial, 1 over n plus 1 whole factorial, and then subtract Sn plus Sn from Sn plus 1. You will get this. Now this is clearly greater than 0. Therefore here this is like this. This implies that Sn plus 1 is greater than Sn. So this sequence is monotonic increasing. Further, we have to show that this sequence is bounded. How we will show that this sequence is bounded? You can see here Sn is equal to 1 over 1 pictorial plus 1 over 2 pictorial plus 1 over n pictorial. Now we decrease the denominator. This is less than 1. ये अपनी जगह ये 1 over 2, लेकिन 1 over 3 pictorial की जगह इधर 1 over 2 square, 1 over 3 pictorial is equal to 6, 1 over 6, but here 1 over 4. So this side should be greater than, and continue in this way. You will reach to 2 to the power n minus 1 because n minus 1, because here 1 over 2, so 1 2 तो n minus 1 यहाँ n टर्म्स है, इस वजह से ये n minus 1 तक कंटिन्यू किया है. Now adding this you will get 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r, geometric series, the common ratio is 2, and you can simply calculation this is less than 2. So this sequence is bounded by 2, and also you will see here that this sequence is greater than 0, because for all n, Sn is greater than 0. So this sequence is bounded between 0 and 2. So the sequence is monotonic increasing and bounded. Therefore the above sequence is convergent. Now further we go. Show that the sequence Sn defined by the recursive formula Sn plus 1 is equal to 3 Sn under the root, where S1 is equal to 1, S converges to 3. This example, you will see here, in this example, we have to show that this sequence is converges to 3. Sequence का structure किस तरह है? Sn plus 1 इस शक्ल में define है, S1 given है 1 के बराबर है. So first we calculate some term of the sequence. S1 1 के बराबर होगा, S2 किसके बराबर होगा? इधर 1 पुट कर ले तो S2 is equal to 3 S1 under the root, like this. This is simple. You can see here. इधर N1 पुट कर ले तो S2 is equal to 3S1. S1 की वैल्यू है 1, तो S2 इज इक्वल टू 3 अंडर द रूट. S3 किसके बराबर होगा? S3 किसके बराबर होगा? S3 होगा S3 is equal three S2, which is equal three and 2 3 under the root. Similarly, you can calculate S4 इसके बराबर होगा up to so on. If you can see here, clearly S1 is less than S2 and S2 is less than S3. Continuing this way, we will prove by mathematical induction that this sequence is monotonic increasing. So S1 less than S2, S2 is less than S3, S3 will be less than S4, and suppose the result is true for M plus 1, that is Sm plus 1 greater than Sm. We have to show that Sm plus 2 greater than Sm plus 1. You can see here Sm plus 1 greater than Sm. This implies multiply both sides by 3. Here 3 से multiply कर ले, इधर 3 से multiply कर ले, square root ले ले. Then now 3 Sm plus 1 किसके बराबर है? By definition, here Sn plus 1 है तो इधर 3 Sn under the root. This implies that this side will be equal to this one, Sm plus 2 greater than Sm plus 1. So thus by mathematical induction, the sequence is monotonic increasing because हमने क्या किया? S1 less than S2 clearly, S2 less than S3, similarly S3 less than S4, and we suppose the result is true for n is equal to m, that is Sm plus 1 is greater than Sm. This is the induction hypothesis, and we have proved that the result is true for n is equal to m plus 1, that is Sm plus 2 greater than Sm plus 1. So the given sequence is monotonic and increasing. Further, we will show that this sequence is bounded. If we show that this sequence is bounded, then definitely this sequence will be convergent by the previous theorem. Now, let's see further. S1 less than 3 under the root. This is clear. S1 less than 3 under the root. S2 बराबर होगा S2 3 under the root. This is less than 3. S3 3 into S2, so S2 is less than 3 multiplied by 3, this is also less than 3. If you calculate, this is very simple. See here S3, that how is 3 less than 3? This is simple. Here you will see here S3 is equal S2, but S2 is less than 3. So if we put here 3 into 3 under the root, 3 multiplied by 3 under 3 into 3, 9 under the root is equal to 9, but S2 is less than 3, so definitely S3 is less than 3. I think this is clear now. S3 is less than 3. Continue further. Again, by suppose the result is true for n is equal to m. S1 less than 3, S2 less than 3, S3 less than 3, and S4 is less. Suppose the result is true for n is equal to m. That is Sm, we have to show that for m plus 1. Sm is less than 3, but multiplied both sides by 3. 3 into 3, 3 Sm less than, and taking square root. So 3, this is under the root 9, this is equal to 3, but what is 3 Sm under the root? Actually, if you will see here, 3 Sn under the root is equal to Sn plus 1. So using this one, you will see here this Sm plus 1 less than 3. So by mathematical induction, the sequence is bounded above by 3, and also the sequence is greater than 0. Hence the sequence is being bounded in monotonic increasing. Therefore the given sequence will be convergent. But now we will show that actually the limit of this sequence S3. How we will show that? What is the procedure? Very simple. Let's suppose that the limit of the sequence Sn is equal to L, because we have to check the sequence, this sequence. Suppose इसके बारे में हमें पता नहीं है, हमने सपोजिशन लिया कि सपोज इसका लिमिट L है. अगर सीक्वेंस Sn का लिमिट L है तो यू नो ऑलरेडी दैट द लिमिट ऑफ Sn प्लस 1. अगर हम एक टर्म ज्यादा कर ले अगेन इसका लिमिट L होगा. नाउ ये Sn प्लस 1 बाय डेफिनेशन बराबर है 3Sn अंडर द रूट, टेकिंग लिमिट ऑन बोथ साइड. इसका लिमिट L है बिकॉज Sn का लिमिट L है तो Sn प्लस 1 का लिमिट भी L होगा. किसी सीक्वेंस, जब एक सीक्वेंस कन्वर्जेंट होती है किसी पॉइंट को, तो अगर हम उसके साथ एक टर्म ऐड कर ले या सब्सट्रैक्ट कर ले, इट विल नॉट अफेक्ट द कन्वर्जेंस. देयरफॉर दिस इज आल्सो इक्वल टू L. एंड नाउ 3 into L, taking L is equal to 3 into L under the root. Now taking square, this will be equal to like this. Here L square is equal to 3L. This is quadratic equation, and if you will L square minus 3L is equal to 0, then L is equal to 0 or L is equal to 3. But now the sequence is greater than 0, because we already proved that the sequence is greater than 0. So there are two possibilities: L is equal to 0 or L is equal to 3. Definitely L is equal to 3. Hence the given sequence will converge to 3. Let's go further. This is another example. एग्जाम्पल 18 को देख ले. ये हमारे पास एक सीक्वेंस गिवन है, Sn इज अ सीक्वेंस. अभी तक हमने जो दो एग्जाम्पल डिस्कस की, ये एक थ्योरम के मदद से कल मैंने जो एक्सप्लेन किया था आप लोगों को कि a monotonic sequence which is convergent. A monotonic sequence will be convergent if monotonic sequence is bounded. Means कोई भी मोनोटोनिक सीक्वेंस जो बाउंडेड होगी वो आइदर डिक्रीजिंग हो या इंक्रीजिंग हो, बट दैट सीक्वेंस विल बी कन्वर्जेंट. नाउ this is the next example that Sn plus 1 is equal to AB square plus Sn square divided by A plus 1, B greater than A for all n greater than or equal to 1, and S1 is equal to A is greater than 0. We have to check that a sequence का स्ट्रक्चर यही है. हमें प्रूफ ये करना है कि ये सीक्वेंस इंक्रीजिंग बाउंडेड अबाव है एंड इसका लिमिट एक्चुअली B के बराबर है. तो फर्स्ट वी विल शो दैट दिस सीक्वेंस इज इंक्रीजिंग, देन वी विल शो दैट दिस सीक्वेंस इज बाउंडेड अबाव बाय B. नाउ please note the point that every monotonic increasing sequence which is bounded above will converge to its least upper bound. जिस तरह हमने कल थ्योरम में प्रूव किया है कि every monotonic increasing sequence will converge to its least upper bound, and every monotonic decreasing sequence will converge to its greatest lower bound. Now this sequence is given. First we will show that this sequence is increasing and bounded above by B. Then we will show that this sequence will converge to B. Actually this will be the least upper bound for the sequence. Given information, Sn plus 1 is equal to AB square plus N square divided by A plus 1, B is greater than A for all n. Again following the procedure mathematical induction, S1 क्या होगा? अगर हम S1 तो गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन है, S1 A के बराबर है, तो S2 क्या होगा? AB स्क्वायर S1 स्क्वायर AB स्क्वायर प्लस A स्क्वायर S1 की जगह वैल्यू पुट कर ले, ये A प्लस 1. अभी कैलकुलेट कर ले S2 स्क्वायर माइनस S1 स्क्वायर, तो दिस इज वेरी सिंपल, ए बी स्क्वायर जमा ए स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाई ए प्लस 1 माइनस ए स्क्वायर। दिस इज वेरी सिंपल कैलकुलेशन। इस 2 की वैल्यू यही है तो इस 2 स्क्वायर ये स्क्वायर रूट खत्म होगा, ये कैलकुलेट कर ले। नाउ बी, नाउ सिंस बी इज ग्रेटर देन ए, सो बी स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर ग्रेटर देन 0, ए प्लस 1 ए ग्रेटर देन 0, so this will be greater than 0. Here the information is given that b is greater than a, so s2 square is greater than s1 square. Taking square root, s2 is greater than s1, so s1 is less than s2. Suppose for n is equal to 1, we have to check for n is equal to 1, greater than or equal to 1. Consider Sn plus 1 square minus Nsn square. This is very simple calculation. Sn plus 1 square, this is given information. So calculating this one, you will get this equation, a into b square minus Sn square divided by a plus 1. Now S1 given है a के बराबर है, a less than b, तो बी स्क्वेयर माइनस एस टू स्क्वेयर किसके बराबर होगा? बी स्क्वेयर माइनस एस टू स्क्वेयर। बी स्क्वेयर अपनी जगह पर एस टू स्क्वेयर की वैल्यू पुट कर ले, एस टू की वैल्यू यही है, यही ये वैल्यू इधर पुट कर ले, यू विल गेट दिस बी स्क्वेयर माइनस ए स्क्वेयर डिवाइड बाई ए. This will be greater than 0 because b square is greater than a, so b square is greater than a square. So this is greater than 0, a plus 1 greater than 0, this whole will be greater than 0. It implies that s2 square, b square minus s2 square is greater than 0. This implies that s2 square is less than b square. Taking square root, you will get s2 less than b. Actually, by induction, we will prove that this sequence, every term of the sequence is less than b. Suppose now here s2 square less than b square implies that s2 is less than b, and we always know that s1 is equal to a, but a less than b, so s1 also bounded above by b. Assume that Sm is less than b for some m belongs to n. We have to show for m plus 1. Now let's see simply, very simply, Sm plus 1 square minus b square, इसकी वैल्यू इधर पुट कर ले, this is less than 0, so by mathematical induction, the Sn for Sm plus 1 whole square minus b square less than 0, it implies that the result is true for n is equal to m plus 1. So by mathematical induction, we have proved that each term of the sequence is bounded above by 3. Also, it is clear that every term of the sequence is greater than 0. So this sequence, first we show that this sequence is monotonic increasing. Secondly, we show that this sequence is bounded above by b. So this sequence is bounded as well as increasing. So by the theorem which we have proved yesterday, कल हमने जो theorem prove किया है, उस theorem के मदद से ये sequence convergent होगी. Now ये sequence convergent होगी तो इसका limit क्या होगा? Now we are interested to calculate limit. This is important. Like the previous example, suppose इसका लिमिट है L, then अगर Sn का सीक्वेंस का लिमिट L है तो डेफिनेटली लिमिट n टेंड्स टू इन्फिनिटी Sn प्लस 1 का भी लिमिट L होगा, इसका भी लिमिट L होगा, ये लिमिट L है, ये बराबर L है, तो ये L स्क्वायर टेकिंग स्क्वायर रूट, क्योंकि इस साइड पर इधर L होगा, ए बी स्क्वेयर ए प्लस 1 अपने जगह पर, टेकिंग स्क्वेयर ऑन बोथ साइड, एल स्क्वेयर इज इक्वल टू ए बी स्क्वेयर प्लस एल स्क्वेयर डिवाइड बाई ए प्लस 1. दिस इज वेरी सिंपल कैलकुलेशन. इफ यू सी हियर, दिस इज सिंपल. नाउ this implies that rearranging the term, you will get L is equal to plus minus b. But now given that a not equal to 0, so L cannot be equal to minus b, because as Sn is greater than or equal to a and a greater than 0, hence the limit of this sequence is b. This is similarly, you can also check example 19. इधर देख ले example 20 को. ये एग्जांपल 20 है कि ये एक सीक्वेंस है, गिवन है शो दैट द सीक्वेंस डिफाइंड बाय द, ये एक सीक्वेंस गिवन है। अगर आप इधर देख ले an + 1 इज इक्वल टू 1/2 an + 9 डिवाइडेड बाय n is greater than or equal to 1 and a1 is greater than 0 converges to 3. We have to show that this sequence is converges to 3. Again we will check that this sequence will be either increasing or decreasing, and if the sequence is bounded, that the sequence will be convergent, because by we in these all examples we use result जो हमने कल प्रूव किया है कि every monotonic sequence will be either which is increasing or decreasing but bounded will be convergent. कल हमने जो प्रूव किया था उसमें मैंने मोनोटोनिक इंक्रीजिंग सीक्वेंस लिया था, आप लोगों को मैंने ये काम दिया था कि आप इसको डिक्रीजिंग सीक्वेंस के लिए कर ले। नाउ लेट्स सी दिस एग्जांपल, an + 1 is equal to 1/2 an divided 9 divided by n is greater than or equal to 1 and 1 is greater than 0. We will show that this converges to 3 and a1 is greater than 0. a2 minus a1 कैलकुलेट कर ले। ये क्यों मैं कैलकुलेट करता हूं? बिकॉज ताकि हमें पता चले कि a1 a2 से लेस है या a1 a2 से बड़ा है, क्योंकि इंक्रीजिंग सीक्वेंस का डेफिनेशन यही है। अगर आपको याद है तो कल हमने ये एक्सप्लेन किया था कि कोई भी सीक्वेंस f sn1 लेस देन और इक्वल sn2 where f and n1 less than or equal n2. इधर देख ले, if n1 less than or equal to n2 and this implies that sn1 less than or equal to sn2, then the sequence will be increasing. If n1 less than or equal to n2 and if sn1 greater than or equal to sn2, then the sequence will be decreasing. Now calculate a2 minus a1. इधर देख ले a2 की जगह n1 पुट कर ले, a2 1/2 a1 डिवाइडेड बाय 9 डिवाइडेड बाय a1 माइनस a1, ये कैलकुलेट कर ले। इधर एक कंडीशन लगाया है कि दिस विल बी ग्रेटर देन 0 if a1 लेस देन और इक्वल टू 3। याद रख ले a1 ग्रेटर देन 0 है तो अभी ये चीज ग्रेटर देन 0 होगी if a1 लेस देन और इक्वल टू 3। सो ये पॉसिबिलिटी है, एक पॉसिबिलिटी ये है कि a1 लेस देन और इक्वल टू 3। So a2 minus a1 greater than 0 means a2 is greater than or equal to 1. So means 1 less than o2. So a1 always less than or equal to a2. This means that a1 less than or equal to 2 if a1 less than or equal to 3. Similarly, आप कैलकुलेट कर ले a2 minus a3 and taking the condition this a1 less than or equal to a3, you will get that a2 less than or equal to a3. By induction, calculate an plus 1 minus an. In doing this calculation, you will get this is always greater than or equal to 0. So a if n less than or equal to 3, the sequence is monotonic and increasing. But question arise होता है, सर अगर a1 greater than or equal to 3 होगा तो फिर ये सीक्वेंस कौन सी सीक्वेंस होगी? if a1 less than or equal to 3 होगा, a1 greater than or equal to 3 होगा, then the sequence will be monotonic decreasing. तो इधर ये कैलकुलेशन जो किया है a1 less than or equal to 3, इसका मतलब यही है, ये a1 greater than 0 है तो फिर इसने इसको इस तरह स्प्लिट किया है। ये देख ले इधर, ये दिस इज 3, a1 लेस देन और इक्वल टू 3, ये पहला केस है। a1 लेस देन और इक्वल टू 3 के लिए ये सीक्वेंस मोनोटोनिक इंक्रीजिंग है। एंड if a1 greater than or equal to 3 and you will calculate this one, if a1 greater than or equal to 3, then this term will be negative, means a2 minus a1 less than 0, means a2 less than or equal to a1. So the sequence will be monotonic decreasing if you take a1 greater than or equal to 3. So this sequence is monotonic increasing if n for all n less than or equal to 3 and decreasing. In either case the sequence is monotonic. दोनों केसेस में सीक्वेंस मोनोटोनिक है, या इंक्रीजिंग है या डिक्रीजिंग है, एंड बाउंडेड देयरफॉर बिकॉज अब ये देख ले A1 less than or equal to E3, A2 less than or equal to E3. Now, in either case, the sequence is monotonic and bounded, and therefore it is convergent. ये convergent हमने किस तरह प्रूव करना है? वही प्रोसीजर है. Take let L is equal to L, limit n tends to infinity, a n is equal to L. So putting here limit n tends to infinity, a n plus 1 is equal to limit n tends to infinity 1 over 2 a n 9 divided by a n. कैलकुलेट कर ले, क्योंकि इसका L है, हमने सपोजिशन लिया है, तो ये कैलकुलेट कर ले. यू विल गेट L is equal to 1 over 2. ये इस तरह होगा, इधर देख ले, ये इस तरह होगा. L is equal 1 over 2 L plus 9 divided by L. ये सिंप्लीफाई कर ले, you will get L square is equal to 9. Hence, but L not equal to -3, so hence the sequence will converges to 3. ये एग्जाम्पल जो हमने डिस्कस की, आप लोग our example B देख ले, एग्जाम्पल 21. सो आई थिंक वी हैव फिनिश्ड दिस चैप्टर. सीक्वेंसेस वाला चैप्टर ख़त्म हो रहा है. आप देख ले, इसको गौर से देख ले, दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कल हमने एक थ्योरम किया था कि एवरी मोनोटोनिक increasing sequence will converge to its least upper bound. Similarly, every monotonic decreasing will converge to its greatest lower bound. इसकी ईड में एक दो थ्योरम है, वो अभी आप देख ले. तो इंशाल्लाह अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, वी विल डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. इंशाल्लाह आई विल स्टार्ट इनफाइनाइट सीरीज कि इनफाइनाइट सीरीज क्या है. तो आप इसको देख ले गौर से. अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप मुझे कॉल भी कर सकते हैं. यू कैन डिस्कस विद मी एनी टाइम. इंशाल्लाह वी विल ट्राई आवर बेस्ट दैट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. आप ये इन एग्जाम्पल को देख ले. ये हमने जितनी एग्जाम्पल एक्सप्लेन किए हैं, इसमें हमने सीक्वेंस को या मोनोटोनिक डिक्रीजिंग शो किया है या मोनोटोनिक इंक्रीजिंग. इफ अ सीक्वेंस इज मोनोटोनिक डिक्रीजिंग एंड बाउंडेड, it will be convergent. If a sequence is decreasing, it will also converges. If bounded, generally monotonic सीक्वेंस कन्वर्जेंट नहीं होती. अगर कोई मोनोटोनिक सीक्वेंस हो वो तब कन्वर्जेंट होगा अगर वो बाउंडेड हो. Any monotonic increasing sequence which is not bounded above will diverge to infinity. Any monotonic decreasing sequence which is not bounded below will diverge to -infinity. तो आज के लिए ये काफ़ी है. इंशाल्लाह यू विल एंजॉय. आप ये देख ले, गौर से देख ले, इसको सीरियस ले ले. इंशाल्लाह वी विल डिस्कस. अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, यू कैन आस्क मी बाय फोन और बाय व्हाट्सएप एंड वी विल डिस्कस. अल्लाह हाफिज़. थैंक यू.